Getaway to all destinations of Shivalik Himalayas, Darjeeling is not just another hill station of India. Rather, it is known as the Queen of the Hills, built by the British centuries ago, and it still retains its royal charm. As the mist and clouds lift over Mount Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak of the world, you get to see the spectacular dance of rainbow on the snow-capped peaks from the Tiger Hill Observatory. Nothing can be better than this breathtaking sunrise. As you climb down, your senses rise to the sound of monastery gongs. Enjoy peace and tranquility at the Japanese Peace Pagoda tucked in the heart of Darjeeling. A symbol of world unity, this monastery has all the 4 avatars of Lord Buddha in its sanctum. You can also attend the Sunday prayers at the nearby St. Andrew's Church, one of the oldest Anglican churches of Asia, built in 1843. Or trek along the lovely rocky steps to the famous Mahakal Mandir perched on a hilltop to offer prayers to the Supreme. To the fluttering of colourful flags, the wind-swept hills display a different tale from the mandir. Once you are spiritually energized, take a leisurely stroll along Darjeeling Mall with its famous landmark Bhanu Bhavan clock tower and colonial hangover. Walk into Das Studio, established in 1927. Darjeeling Mall is also a shopper's paradise. Pick up a local Buddhist wind chime or stone-studded earrings from one of the innumerable shops along the mall road. From pristine nature to history, eateries to premier educational institutions and a World Heritage toy train, Darjeeling will spoil you for a choice. From the Roy Villa, where Sister Nivedita breathed her last, to the world-famous Darjeeling tea, along with local Tibetan delicacies, the Queen of the Hills has it all for you. But the biggest surprise still awaits you. The Chugging Toy Train Ride, one of the oldest steam engine-run narrow-gauge train tracks of the world with a UNESCO heritage tag. Darjeeling Toy Train passes through Ghum, India's highest railway station, takes a 360-degree turn down the Batashia Loop. Enjoy the breathtaking train ride along the serpentine tracks. Hop off and shake a leg at the Shrubbery Nightingale Park. Fill up your lungs with the fresh mountain air and go on a long walk to another jewel of Darjeeling, the Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park. It houses rare and endangered animal species including the red panda, Himalayan bear and the snow leopard. This hill station also has a sprawling government tourist accommodation to cater to your needs. Darjeeling was also home to Tenzing Norgay, the legendary Sherpa, one of the first men to set foot on Mount Everest. The Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, built in his memory, still nurtures young mountaineers, teaching the children rock climbing and rope walking. Even tourists get a chance to pick up mountaineering skills during their stay in Darjeeling. The hill station is also home to lush tea gardens, and they open before your eyes as you dangle on the ropeway high above them with the blue mountains in the backdrop. Darjeeling is also home to some of India's best public schools, including St. Joseph's North Point, St. Paul's and Southfield College. Round off your travel with a local Thali Maruni dance. Have a fabulous English breakfast or high tea at one of the heritage eateries, Glenaries or Kevinter's. Each day, take a morning walk on the Central Mall, interacting with welcoming locals, riding ponies, or just watching women in the local market stitching warm woolies. Before you bid adieu to Mount Kanchenjunga, do not miss the music of the hills, the charm of Darjeeling, as it lingers on your senses forever. Truly, it is indeed the queen of the hills.